Blast! Where's Angry Batbird?
Angry Commissioner.
What took you so long?
The 3G network was down.
Look, we have a lead on the mayor's eggs. We've tracked him down to that location. And an old friend.
Harvey, dead pig.
How are we going to take out Two-Face? Pig.
Both sides of his personality can't know we're coming. We stick to the shadows, find a vulnerable moment when he's alone, and strike.
With what?
The bat sling. Now! Why did it come to this, Harvey Pig?
No time to get sentimental. The Joker has the eggs on the west side.
Would have been way quicker to fly.
Definitely.
Holy digital downloads, Batbird! There it is!
Joker Pig.
How do you like your eggs? Sunny side up? Or scrambled?
Give up the eggs, Joker Pig.
If it isn't the angry bats himself, now where's your little bird brain at?
Incoming! Sorry, Bruce.
Robin, no! Joker Pig!
No need to shout, bats. I'm right here.
You're going down!
Do your worst, Batbeat.
Ah!
You missed!
Did I?
You did it again, Angry Batbird. Angry Batbird?
He's gone, Dad, unless you pay for the full version.
So I guess he's gone for good.
It's only 99 cents.
He's gone for good.